Dartmouth College just filed a $14.5 million exposure to crypto assets, including $3.3 million in a Solana staking fund. This move has drawn attention to Solana's price trajectory and the broader institutional validation of the asset. The price of SOL is currently at $91, still down 69% from its all-time high. Analysts project that even the most bullish scenarios only reach $113 by summer. That math has already moved over $10.04 million in whale capital into Pepeto, where returns do not depend on a long-term recovery in SOL. The institutions are building floors, and the presale wallets are building fortunes. The Dartmouth Endowment, which manages $9 billion, disclosed its investment in the Bitwise Solana staking ETF in a May 14 SEC filing. The fund also holds $7.7 million in BlackRock's Bitcoin Trust and $3.5 million in the Grayscale Ethereum ETF. Solana ETFs now manage over $1.1 billion, with recent weekly inflows of $39.2 million. This institutional activity is a sign of growing confidence in Solana's ecosystem, but it does not yet indicate a breakout in price from $91 back to $295. While the institutional money is building a floor for SOL, the ceiling remains unclear. Pepeto, on the other hand, has already blown past that ceiling with. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Force, more than $10 million has been raised at 0.000000187 per token, and every one of those positions now sits directly in front of a Binance listing. This listing could unlock substantial gains for early participants, which is why capital continues to flow into the presale while other projects remain stagnant. The smart money sees a countdown, not a waiting game. Analysts project 100x to 300x returns once the listing triggers trading unlocks. That is exactly why capital keeps flooding in while retail investors watch from the sidelines. The broader market has been losing momentum, but Pepeto is gaining traction. The presale's success is a signal that traders are looking for opportunities that offer immediate liquidity and high upside, rather than waiting for a multi-year recovery in SOL. The Solana Price Prediction crowd is watching closely for signs of a breakout. Institutional adoption is a strong floor, but it is not yet a ceiling. The ETF inflows and Dartmouth's investment are bullish signals, but they have not yet driven a significant price move. The market is still waiting for a catalyst that could push SOL beyond $91 and into a new phase of growth. Meanwhile, Pepeto is building its own momentum. The presale has already passed $10 million, and the Binance listing is the next key event to watch. If the listing triggers a surge in demand, the token could see massive gains in a short period. This is why traders are moving capital into Pepeto rather than holding SOL in a bearish market. The broader crypto market is still in a consolidation phase, but certain assets are breaking out. The question is whether Solana will follow suit or if projects like Pepeto will outpace it. The institutional money is in, but the retail and speculative capital is shifting toward assets with clearer upside. The next signal to watch is: most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The Binance listing for Pepeto. If the token performs well on the exchange, it could signal a broader shift in market sentiment toward high-potential presales and short-term gains. This would be a key indicator for traders looking to capitalize on the next wave of crypto momentum. In the meantime, Solana's price remains at $91, with ETFs and institutional money providing a floor but not a ceiling. The market is still waiting for a breakout, but the capital is already moving toward assets that offer immediate returns. Pepeto is one such asset, and its performance could set the tone for the rest of the market.